name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all know what day it is. It's Friday. Means it's face chart Friday. This particular face chart is just literally just the eye look, and it was chosen by my best friend Anna. So that's what I'll be doing in this video. And again, because it's just the eye look, the lip color was chosen by Anna, so that has nothing to do with the actual face chart. So enough talking, let's get started.
Scared, afraid of all this change. We've been poor too long, but being rich feels strange. Fake, I can't pretend no more. Living one big lie, not who I was before. If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Somebody save me from myself. I'm tired of losing sleep. Tension's too high, but I'm in too deep. Faith is like a dear old friend. No matter where we start, together in the end. If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Somebody save me from myself. Too big to fail. If you can't pay your bills, put your soul up for sale. Everybody getting high to pretend that they're okay. People cheating on their wives cause they can't admit the gay. Beauty is pain. I'll rearrange my face for a taste of the fame. No, I can't keep it together. Personalities are split. Making money off your words, but your words ain't worth shit. Feels like I'm lost. Feels like I'm lost. Please come and find me. Find me. Going too fast. Going too fast. I beg, rewind me. Rewind me. Rotting bodies up in Beverly Hills. Who needs lobotomies when you can buy pills? They're popping Molly in the nightclubs in hell. A voice inside of me is crying for help. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Scared, afraid of all this change. We've been poor too long, but being rich feels strange. Fake, I can't pretend no more. Living one big lie, still be here. We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Somebody save me from myself.
And this is the finished look. I'm not sure about this lip. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, I like the eye look, which is why I just did the eye look in the first place. Not too much commentary on it. It's interesting, in a good way, of course. Again, this lip, though, I might change it for work anyway, but, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see those pictures. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm going to change it to some nudish color probably because, you know. But, I actually like it. It's not too bad. I mean, I love this part. Not sure about the lip color though. But, you know, for the sake of the video, it looks great. But me walking around like this, maybe, maybe not. Not sure. Anyway, that's it for this video. That's it for this week's face chart. And, well, technically this is an eye chart. Not really a face chart, it's an eye chart. Thank you, Anna, for choosing this one because I actually like it. And, as always, if you want to see me do one, or try one, or do one you created, because I know some people create them themselves, so if you would like me to try one of yours, etc., etc., comments, please. Comments, or tag me on Instagram. That's all for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.